Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch, and I guess today is the day, it was supposed to be yesterday, that I checked to see if we got any queen cells kicking it. So, was supposed to check it yesterday. However, yesterday it was rainy and cold. Today it's just cold. So I'm gonna throw on some rubber gloves and get to checking. So let's go along and see what's going on. How about this? It's poopy time. We had cold weather yesterday, last night, this morning. All of it was cold. So let's find a hive tool. No idea. Haven't looked in this colony. Need to. Got a bunch of bees flying. Starter finish reel. What do we got? Got a bee on the, there you go. Get you off of there, bee. We'll see together what we got. All right. First things first. We still have feed in the feeder. Still have feed in the feeder. So that's good. All right, we still have bees. We still have bees in the box. What do we have here? Let's see what we got, y'all. If there is a God, and I'm sure there is, what I want to know is what they did here to my cells. I'm just gonna move that ever so slightly. Stick my fingers in here, get the bees moving. Do not jostle, do not drop. How'd we do? Hey, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Whoever picked 11, you are the winner so far. 11 cells. Good job, girls. Going right back in. No jostling. Tomorrow they'll get moved. 11 is the number we got right now. Let's put everything together, all nice and comfy cozy. Beautiful. 11 is the number. Put the feed back to them. Dump the bees back off. Woohoo! 11 cells. So we'll move them tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see.